1, 2, 3, go. Ano?
Thank you, Ate Abby, Kuya Ayan, for the gift. Charing! What is this? And this is... Wow! I have Relo na. Nana ko yung Relo. I have my
Big display. Gold. Gold, Nick. Gold.
gold watch.
There's a tiny pillow.
Tiny pillow. And a tiny pillow. Thank you, Ate Abby and Kuya Ayan. And there's more from Kuya Ayan, Ate Abby. Unsa ka ni ban? Guest ban? Unsa ni ban?
And you go, 19?
A new phone? Oh no, this is it. What is that?
Oh,
Uy,
what?
another watch. What is this watch? Ban, help me. Help me to
That's
unbox.
like a phone.
Maybe can I open this with a ball pen? I have to monitor everything, not just my but with this
Oh my
also.
god, that is so beautiful!
I also have to monitor my vitals, guys. Thank you, guys, for the gift.
The end of
Ate
the vlog.
Abby,
I'm
Kuya
just
Ayan, thank you.
brothers and sisters, Ate Angel, Ate Abe, sisters. Kuya Ayan, Kuya BJ, brother.
Unsa man?
Do you know we live in Dulag? Yes, we live in Dulag.
Tarungan na imong vlog diha ay.
Philippines.
Thank you for the gift of time, for the gift of health, for the gift of family.
Wow.
Thank you. So I have mine. Yes. Di na ko manghulam kang Ate Angel. Nanay akong self, nanay akong own watch. Mana?
Cake at steak. Kumana.